Hi, my name is Alex, I'm 40 years old and I'm based in Newcastle upon Tyne. During the pandemic, I decided to retrain from scratch in IT. IT Online Learning was recommended to me by a fellow student. I did less than a year, I was CompTIA A+ qualified. They also optimized my CV and got my LinkedIn profile looking good. And once I started applying for jobs and lining up interviews, IT Online Learning assisted in that area also, offering advice and practice beforehand, making me feel confident and comfortable. After my second interview, I got a service desk job with G4S Security. I was promoted to technical operations after a year and a half, and now, 3 years on, I work as second line support for a large engineering company in the heart of the city.
This is the street in the middle of Newcastle that I work on. It's right next to the football ground. A typical day, whether from the office or at home, always starts with a coffee. Working through our ticketing system, I always follow up with any customers that have been pending from the day before. This can lead to quick ticket closures to start the day nicely.
In my current role, I'm fortunate enough to spend most of my time working from home, which is good because we've recently had a baby.
As the day goes on, I prioritise the tasks and incidents that I have assigned to me. I use remote access software to deal with any issues the customers may be having. The issues can range from failed installs to printing and audio problems, or even a broken mouse. If all avenues are exhausted by second line in an attempt to resolve the ticket, then it is passed to third line. Often a replacement device is sent to the user if it is beyond repair.
The course content was informative, easy to follow, pre-made notes were available to print out. There was also access to Live Labs, which is a remote desktop where you could put what you learned into practice without any worries of mistakes. Prior to studying with IT Online Learning, I didn't really see any scope for progression in my previous roles. IT Online Learning really helped me kickstart my career and boost my confidence. I've landed 2 jobs with reputable firms, have been promoted, and nearly doubled my income. I couldn't recommend IT Online Learning enough.